week one analysis for AUD/JPY Forex pair, which is the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. There is more movement in that pair in the afternoon from 5, 6 p.m. to 1, 2 in the morning. Okay, so this analysis, we're looking for five things. The trend, is it trending, ranging, or is it consolidating? This is number one. Number two, we're looking for the last candle. What happened to the last candle? Open and close. The third thing is we're looking at levels. Weekly levels, monthly levels sometimes, daily and 4-hour levels. Those are the most important ones. Daily, weekly, and 4 hours. Third things we're looking for entry. When to enter the market. Signal, in other words. Candlestick confirmation to enter a sell or a buy. The last thing we're looking for is exit. Potential exit to take profit in the market. So those are the five things we review in our analysis. This is analysis, people, from what happened last week, and we can do some projection for next week. Don't take that for you to trade, but take that, understand the market, what the market is doing, and add it to your system so you can trade. So let's go in the market right now. This is the AUD/JPY pair. As we can see in the weekly time frame, price been consolidating between this level right here and this level. You see one, it respected it, come down to it again. He went to it here, respected it, go up here, come back to it, come back to it again, go way up here. Now you can see price is consolidating in the weekly time frame. But in price is moving toward that resistance level again. So what might happen? Price, in order for it to get into a daily, a what we call a uptrend, it need to break that resistance level, create a high that is higher than this high, so come back to test it to give us a low, another low. So what we want to see for the trend to break, we want to see this. It make a low that is lower than this one. Now we want to see a high that is higher than this high. This is 1, 2, 3. Then we say price just broke it. Then we can see price might continue to do this. This is a weekly time frame, longer time frame. So now price is consolidating in the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily. And the second thing is, before we go to the daily, is the candlestick. We can see that last week the candlestick gave us a hammer. You can see price went down. It went to on the support level. This is a weekly in black that has many price action right here. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here. He couldn't break it before continuing to go up. This week it went down to it, tested. If you are on the market, you could have buy the market here to bring up to that level with it. You can see it's close right here. So telling me price more likely there's a probability to continue to go up, either to that resistance or to come up to break it, that resistance. And this month we'll see what happened there. So let's go to the daily. Here is the daily. As you can see, the 5 candlestick for last week was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last Monday, price, after this inverted hammer, we expected price to continue to go down. Absolutely. This is the shorter time frame. So after this close the week before last week, we were thinking price will do this to come here, either to break it, to do this. Okay, So this is in a daily time frame. This is what happened. Let me see what happened now. Let's take what happened in the daily level. We have the level. We have this level that we are looking for. If price break it, it's gonna be in the uptrend. If it doesn't, it's gonna come back down. So this is what we know. So there is here price create what we call a daily level. One here. And then you can see in the middle here, price give us a 4 hour level. We will go to the 4 hour time frame. We will see that. So when last week price went down the first 2 days, as you can see on that weekly support right here with a 200 EMA, looking 1, 2, 3 line up, price will go up. When it went down, when it get to that support, weekly support that's been tested so many times, and there's an EMA here, this confluence they call it. Many things come together to telling you, hey, price will do what you said. And you can see if you buy here, price continue to go up, and price is close to that daily support, daily resistance right here. So for price to get here, they got to break this, break that, break these levels before up here. So that's why we said price might do this, come back to tested and go up. Price might not even go straight up. Price might do this, stay here before do that. Right? Remember, the way the market structure is, we have to understand market structure, right? So we know price when do move by doing impulsive move long in the trend to come back to the retracement shorter to go another impulsive move. When it's in a consolidation, it's moved between two support and resistance level, keep moving between them, like bouncing or bouncing ball. It go up, you push it down, go up, you push it down. This is not, this is more like we call it a consolidation, okay? But price here is in its way to that level right here, daily, 4 hour time frame. So now we're looking for what is signal right now, okay? So we know the trend, it's consolidating between these levels right now. You can see that the 4 hour time frame, okay? This level between this support and this support, it's been consolidating. We know that. So now what we are looking for, we saw the last candle give us a push that telling us price might continue to go up. So we go to the 4 hour time frame. We know the levels. This is 1, 2, 3. This is the 4 hour level we were talking about. This is it right here. You can see last week what price did. Price from here, price came all the way down. Look at that to that to that support level. So you were here. If you buy here, let's say you didn't buy here, you were not sure. Price went up and closed here, and then look at that. Price trying to push down in the 4 hours, and it's come back to give you a hammer. This is a candlestick saying, hey, price will not continue to come back down again. Price will go up. So you see, price then open, continue to go up from there, and all the way up here. So you could have taken a trade here to get out here for 60 pip. This, you see that? That's one trade. You could have taken that trade. So price break that 4 hour and then get here, come back to test it to go up again. So if we go, like you can see, this is here. This is a bullish engulfing candlestick that telling you, hey, price will go down, go up, maybe up to here for 45 pip. That's what might happen. So but if we go to the, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see, can we find where to enter the market and where to we can take profit. So let's see if we can show all the possibilities that happened last week. As you can see here, here's possible for a trade. We could have joined the market right here to continue to go down. Price break it here. You see? Then price say, hey, this is a support. They fight this support. but come back down. Price get to it, this is a possibility because this is a support level that we know this is a weekly. It will be hard to break. So price continue to go up. You could have taken so many small trade here. Here is another confirmation. Price my if you take it down there for a 80 pip right here, you could have taken it here again for a profit that is here. You see? Then price break above here. See? Price break above, come back to test it. This is a possibility to join in again to bring it all the way to up here. So those are possibilities. So if you took it here, this is where price can give you 85 pip. If you took it here, you said, hey, I'm gonna take it here to here, that price can give you a 61 pip. If you took it here to up here, that's another 80 pip. So you see, last week you 5 trade would be good enough. From here to here, that's almost 100 pip. From here, Bob, almost 200 pip. From there, well, you could take in 1, 2, 3, 4 trade last week. If you a scalper, you could have taken many trades in a lower time frame. So this is what we're talking about. Now you can take it here. This is confirmation. This is entry. This is another entry. This is entry. Your exit will be the next resistance level. Here, price stop here. This is price stop moving, doing its thing. You take profit. Price get it, you took it here, and then you get to the support level, you get out. You took it here, closer to the support level, you get out. This is exit and entry. This is why we go to lower time frame to do it, to look at that. So the analysis we have is still good. This is analysis is still good. Price will touch here, and price will, this is his destination way up here. As we can see, we have the daily still good, telling us price will get to that. You will test it, come back to go up if it's gonna continue to go to that here, to that level that's been tested so many times before around here. So this is analysis for AUDJPY. Remember 5 things: the trend, the last candle, the levels, the entry, and the exit. This is what the analysis is all about. Multiple time frame analysis. If you want to learn how to do this, go to the website www.eta25pips.com. I went to that school and go check it out. If it's good for you, so you can join them, they can help you to become a better trader.